Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace we click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Headspace and you will enter. After that, in this window, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.